Hi guys, I'm back. For this video, I'm going to unbox and review my new MacBook Air and the new iPhone 12. So let's get started. So this is how the box looks like, and right now I'm unwrapping it. So pagkabukas mo, the first thing you will see is the laptop itself and of course the famous Apple icon. So I chose the silver color since I like the elegant and smooth finish of the color. Storage wise, I chose 512GB since I do video editing, so I need a bigger storage to store all of my edited videos. For the measurement naman, it's 13 inches, so it's just the right size for me. I also purchased Apple Care in case na kung may anumang sira, you can bring it sa Apple to fix it for free, good for 3 years. The Apple Care itself is my bayad, so it's your decision if you want it or not. But I personally want my MacBook Air to have a layer protection, so I didn't mind to pay extra. When it comes sa price range, MacBook itself is around 60k in Philippine pesos, whereas yung Apple Care is around 12k. So, setting aside the laptop, you will see the other contents of the box, which is the manual and 2 sets of Apple stickers. Second thing is the charger and adapter with the cord. So, as you can see, medyo napugo pa ako kung paano kakabit yung adapter pati charger. As for the cord naman, it is a USB Type-C. Okay, so now na na-unbox na natin lahat-lahat, it's time to open the laptop and see what it looks like. So, here it is. So, upon opening, automatic na siya magsa-start. As you can see, with the Apple icon appear on the screen. Iintayin mo na lang mag-load yung bar fully to start setting up the MacBook and you are good to go to use it. So, additional review lang relating sa MacBook is the case since ang finish ni MacBook is medyo prone sa gasgas. So, I bought a clear hard shell case also. So, it comes in 2 pieces. One is for the front and for the other one is for the back. Case cost around 2,500. Alright, so next up is the iPhone 12. Well, nabuksan ko na siya actually, so papakita ko na lang sa inyo yung other contents sa box aside sa phone. Same as sa MacBook Air is merong manual and 2 sets of Apple stickers as well. Then, here it is, the charging cord for the phone. As you may have heard sa news about this phone, sinabi ni Apple na the box is thinner due to the fact that di na sila nagpo-provide ng adapter. So, cord na lang which is a Type-C head USB on one end, while the other end is the usual USB used to plug in sa iPhone para mag-charge. Now, moving on sa phone itself, so pinili ko yung red na color since I've always liked the product red on their past models of iPhone. So the screen layout is the same with the past iPhone 10, which is medyo sagad na siya sa top part and wala na din siyang home screen. The storage is 64GB, so for me it's enough since I delete photos and files that I don't use every now and then. Sa price, I researched it pa sa Apple Store since I initially didn't know how much it was since this is an advanced Christmas gift from my dad. So, if you would convert it sa Philippine currency, it is around 45,000. As for the measurement, it is around 6.1 inches. So, sakto lang siya sa kamay ko compared sa old phone ko which is yung iPhone 7 Plus, which ang sukat nun is around 6.2. I already purchased a protective case and tempered glass as well. As you can see, so it has an additional protection in case maaksidente kung mabagsak. I suggest na you should get yung tempered glass both front and back, and yung layout ng tempered glass is di sakop yung camera since may tendency kasi na lumabo-labo. As for the case, I just chose the one na clear ang back then with red color on the side since may color naman na ang phone, so there's no need na for design cases. Okay, so sa inside na ng phone ng ating i-review. So, andito tayo sa home screen ko. So, makikita niyo yung mga apps na naka-install and mga default apps like messages, contacts, Then yung mga social media apps ko like Instagram and Facebook. Also, I have online shopping apps also like yung Apple Store and Shopee. And then you have the browser apps like Chrome and Safari. Then Spotify, then the camera. So, sa camera, you will see there's time-lapse, slow-mo, video, and then of course yung photo. Then yung portrait mode, both with front and back cam na siya. So like iPhone 10, pipili ka kung anong klaseng lighting you want sa portrait. So we have natural light, then studio light, contour light, stage light, and then stage light mono and high key light mono. And of course, lastly is panorama. So some of my used apps is the iMovie, which I initially use for simple cutting and editing sa videos before I do more changes sa MacBook Air. Andito din yung two new default apps sa iOS 14, which is yung Magnifier and Translate. And since mahilig ako maglaro ng mobile games, I have GTA Vice City, Assassin's Creed, Among Us, and Genshin Impact. Ideal yung phone na to for playing games since smoother and graphics and di siya naglalag. Then, I also use my phone to install apps necessary for everyday commuting like Grab, Maps, SGMRT, and my transport for bus commuting, as well as EasyLink and SimplyGo for tracking my transportation expenses and history. And then, since my Apple Watch is linked to this phone, I can also use it to open the Watch app and browse the settings, change the wallpaper, and check for latest system updates and install apps for the watch. Then, here are the other apps that I don't use, but I just kept it all in one folder to be organized. And last but not the least, which is ito yung bagong feature na ginagamit ko in my new phone, even though it has been around sa mga past iPhones, is yung Apple Wallet, which I often use now for payments and transactions since I find it convenient, especially the COVID-19 situation, because most people prefer contactless payments now as much as possible. Super simple lang siya. You just have to link your debit or credit card that you have, then that's it. You don't have to bring in and out your physical card that often in case you are in a hurry or for your convenience. So, yun ang lahat. And that's all for this video, and I hope you liked it, and I will be back with more videos very soon. Please like and subscribe. Thank you!